I wanted to demonstrate how to create an auxiliary view. You need to know the angle of the auxiliary face. Here I'll add an angular dimension to confirm. Next, I will adjust the polar settings to include the 30-degree angle. Create a perpendicular line using the polar tracking. The length doesn't matter. Now draw another line perpendicular to the previous one at 0.75 to locate the whole center point. Add the 0.88 radius and the 0.875 diameter hole. Offset the locating line the radius value of 0.88 to both sides. Stretch your first line beyond the right edge of the auxiliary view. You can start to trim here. Next, I'll add the R120 fillets on both sides. Set the option to no trim and use the multiple option. Trim to remove the extra segments. To finish the view, add a center mark in the hole. Rotate the center mark by the hole center point 30 degrees counterclockwise.